Over the next 2 minutes, I want to show you exactly how to build one of my all-time favorite small cap value screens. First, I click on Research, Screens, New, Stock. The stock universe is the first parameter I check. You can go for the S&P 500, the Russell 3000, but I'm going to use the easy to trade US universe, which is US stocks with enough liquidity that I can actually trade them. In the rules field, I create custom filters. You can also use the wizard to get started fast. Market cap less than 500 million, positive quarterly free cash flow, and short interest less than 2%. I'll explain why these rules work so well with small cap value in another video. Subscribe if you want to see that when it comes out. Click on the Settings tab. Here's where I enter the number of stocks in my portfolio. Also, I select a ranking system. Now, a ranking system is just a group of factors which are used to grade all the stocks in the universe. There are dozens of amazing pre-built ones, but for this video, I'm going to use Quick Rank, which simply means I add my own single factor to rank the stocks. I choose low quarterly price to sales, and the lower the ratio, the better. Now I click Backtest. I want to rebalance every week, so I don't want to hold a stock for a month if free cash flow goes negative or short interest spikes. Slippage is set to 0.25% above the close, and I will start the backtest in 1999. Now, do you notice this field called rank tolerance? This is useful for reducing turnover. It doesn't sell a stock too quickly, and instead it gives a small ranking buffer that I specify that it has to hit before selling. I click Run Backtest, and voila, the historical simulated performance. So do you want inspiration for your next stock screen? Load one of the pre-built screens that were developed by Portfolio 123 experts. And now you've just built a data-driven screen that beats trading by the gut. Next, we'll level up by building our own custom ranking system.